Hello students, welcome to my channel Science World, and if you find this video useful for you, then please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon so that you can get a notification of my upcoming videos. Okay, so our today's topic is types of teeth. In our last video we have discussed about the teeth, that is two sets of teeth in human life. Okay, then today we will discuss about the types of teeth. So if you observe your teeth in mirror, you will see that all the teeth are not same, they are not alike. Okay, सारे जो दांत हैं वो एक जैसे नहीं हैं. There are 4 types of teeth in our mouth. Okay, how many types of teeth are there? There are 4 types of teeth in our mouth. Okay, they are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. These are the 4 types of teeth, and they are different in size. Their shape is also different, their number is also different, and their size is also different. Means they differ in size, shape and number. You can see here in this picture clearly. This is the colorful picture of our teeth. You can see here. See this blue color teeth, you can see. This is the lower jaw. This part is the jaw where these teeth are fixed in our mouth. Okay, so this is lower jaw teeth. These are the blue color teeth are incisors. They are the front teeth. Okay, then at the both the side or either side of these incisors are 2 green color teeth. You can see these are the canines. Okay, then you have this pink color teeth. How many are there? 1 2 3 4. These are the premolars. They are called premolars. Then now this yellow color teeth, these are called molars. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. This 3 plus 3 6 teeth are there. Okay, these are molars, and last 2 are the wisdom. These are the wisdom tooth. Now here you can see the structure of this all the types of teeth. See, it is differing in size. This is smaller, okay, and this is broader. This is sharp. You can see these teeth are at the edges. Okay, so their number is different, their size is different, and the shape is different. So we will learn about them one by one. Now look at here. Okay, the first teeth that we are going to read about is incisors, or they are also called cutting teeth, and the shape or shape of the teeth is just like this. You can see the set of 4 front teeth. How many are there? 4 teeth in each lower jaw. Means they are total 8 teeth. There are 8 incisors in our mouth. How you can explain them? What is the shape here? They are flat. They are flat at the edges, and they are flat and thin, and they help in the biting and cutting of food. When you eat a burger or a sandwich, which teeth you use? The front teeth. Okay, that means to bite food or to cut the food we use these incisors, or we can say cutting teeth. Okay, this is the shape of the incisors. It is flat at the edges. Okay, border पे you can say किनारा जो है उसका, upper जो है edge जो है उसकी वो sharp हो, cutting the food. Now canines. These incisors are followed by canines, or called tearing teeth. These are present on each side of the incisor. Incisors के दोनों तरफ है. Okay, 2 in each jaw. Means there are total 4 canines. 2 in each jaw. 2 in upper jaw plus 2 lower jaw. So there are total 4 canines. You can see here they are sharp. Their edges are sharp. Okay, why they are sharp? They are also pointed. They are sharp and pointed. Why? Because they are tearing teeth. They are tearing teeth. Tear means खींच के तोड़ना, जिसको हम कहते हैं, है ना, टीयर करना. तो जो फूड होता है, जैसे कि जो मीट वगैरह खाते हैं, है ना, the people who eat, or we can say when you bite, when you eat sugar cane, that time you have to use your tearing teeth, or you can say canines. Okay, animals like tigers and lions that feed on flesh have very sharp canines. All the carnivorous animals, they have sharp canines. They have to cut, or they have to tear the flesh of other animals for their food. Okay, then we have premolars, or they are also known as cracking teeth. Cracking teeth, they are next to canine. के बाद आते हैं cracking teeth और premolars. They are 4 premolars in each jaw. Total 8. 4 plus 4. There are 8 premolars in our mouth, and 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. You can see they are broad. They are broader than the canines. Canines से बड़े हैं, and they are flat also. They are flat at the upper side. And they are thick. They are strong, and they help in crushing of the food. That's why they are known as cracking teeth. And they are like nutcracker. जब हमें कुछ तोड़ना होता है चीज़ को, तो हम कैनाइन्स और इंसीजर यूज़ नहीं करते हैं, है ना. सपोज यू हैव टू ब्रेक अ नट, लाइक से वॉलनट. ओके, अखरोट, वॉलनट जब आपको ब्रेक करना होता है, यू यूज़ दिस प्रीमोलर्स. दैट्स वाई दे आर नोन एज क्रैकिंग टीथ. ओके, then we have molars. 4th type teeth are molars. They are also known as grinding teeth, because we use them to grind the food. Whatever food we bite or we cut into pieces with the help of incisors and other teeth, that whole food is grinded with the help of these molars. There are 6 in each jaw. Upper jaw 6 and lower jaw 6. So there are total 12 molars in our mouth. They are broader. They are broader than the premolars. Premolar से ये broader होते हैं. Broader means चौड़े होते हैं. They are broader than the premolars. Okay, you can see the shape here. Why this shape is like that, flat and broad? Because they are the grinding teeth. Okay, that's why they have shape like that. And these parts you can see here at the these are the roots of the. This part is the root of the what? That we will read in our next video. What is the structure of the tooth? Okay. Then here you have one what we can say table is there. Can you count how many teeth are there in each jaw? See, incisor, upper jaw 4, lower jaw 4, total 8 teeth. Canines, upper jaw 2, lower jaw 2, total 4 teeth. Premolars, upper jaw 4, lower jaw 4, and total 8 teeth. Molars, upper jaw 6, lower jaw 6, and total 12 teeth. So total upper jaw has 16 teeth, lower jaw has 16 teeth, and total 32 teeth are there in an adult man or woman. Okay, then we have some questions here, you can see, and some knowledgeable information, like you may have seen tusks of the animals. And what are they? These are the elongated canines. For example, walrus and wild pigs you have seen. So walruses and wild pigs and many other animals have this tusk, and they are nothing but the canines. Okay, tusks are the canine. But the tusk that you see in an elephant, it is not the canine. It is incisor of the elephant. It is incisor of the elephant, and this incisors is of upper jaw. That means the incisors of upper jaw of elephant, they are modified into tusk. They are forming tusk in the elephant. Okay. Then there are some questions. See, when you bite an apple, you use which teeth? We use incisors. Okay, because they are the cutting teeth, and we have to cut the apple. Then when you eat non-vegetarian food, which teeth are used to tear the meat? We use canines, because they are the tearing teeth. They help to tear the flesh. Then which teeth are you used to chew the chapatis? Molars. We use grinding teeth to chew the chapatis, because we have to grind them into the paste and then we swallow that food after grinding. Okay, so this is all about the types of teeth. You remember all these diagrams also, and the names and the number of the teeth. So we have seen that all these 4 types of teeth, they are not same, they are having different size, different shape and different numbers. Okay, in our next video we will talk about the structure of the tooth. So till then, take care, bye bye.